Hey, really, can we get rid of mosquitoes? What say? Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you are all good. Thank you for all your support. Thank you so much. आप कैसे हो? Yes, today we'll see this mosquito lamp. I'll provide the link in the description box. You can buy because it's working 100% for sure. So you can also buy and check out to get rid of mosquitoes. Okay, first let me tell about this product. This is electric shock mosquito lamp. As you see in the picture, this is mosquito repellent. That means to get rid of mosquitoes in your home, you can use this. This is simple and easy to use, and not only that, it is user friendly, it is handy. Now let's see how it looks. It is portable. It's just like any other bulb as you use in your homes. 12-year warranty period is given. Instructions paper is given. You can go through the instructions if you want. You see here USB cable is given. You have to plug into adapter and use it. See how it looks. Its design is marvelous, isn't it? Please make sure when you use this bulb, you have to close the windows and doors of your house and thereafter use it for better results. As you see in the picture, a hook is given, therefore you can carry anywhere you want. It is portable. Now we'll see how to use. If any of you are watching my video for the first time and are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications for all. Thank you. As you see in the picture, you got to plug into the adapter and thereafter you connect to the bulb. After that, plug in the bulb and turn on the light. You see here, it comes in violet color. Is it not beautiful? Of course, bad to the mosquitoes, right? And how simple and easy to use it, just like any other bulbs you use in your home, right? This is very much affordable to all and you can buy it. Please note one thing. When you want to use this bulb, make sure that you close the windows and doors of your house and turn off the lights that are in your room and then turn on this lamp. Minimum it takes 3 to 4 hours to see the result, but it works 100% for sure because mosquitoes fear seeing this lamp and you have no fear of biting you, right? So what for waiting? You can go for it happily and get rid of mosquitoes. And let me know in the comment section your feedback after using this lamp. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Flying Skies 1. Keep smiling. Have a good day.